Hi boys, I'm here in your room. This is Mima. I'm going to read you a story. I don't know if you want me to read this one or another one. Let me know, okay? You let your mom and dad, or when I call you for the first time, in FaceTime, you tell me, okay? Alright, there we go. It was bedtime, so 5 little monkeys took a bath. 5 little monkeys put on their pajamas. 5 little monkeys brushed their teeth. 5 little monkeys said good night to their mama. Then the 5 little monkeys jumped on the bed. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. So 4 little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. The mama called the doctor. The doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. The mama, oops,